Afro dish, authentic Caribbean and Caribbean cuisine. That's it. Grilled chicken, oxtail, curry chicken, fish, meat, patties. Real southern food. Beautiful. I had my jambalaya. No fish, but I had sausages in there. Jambalaya. And what's this? Oh, right, okay. Oh, that's fish, is it? Okay. This is the. Is that beans?
That's the lamb and beans.
Oh, lamb and beans. Yeah. Could I please take
No, it's not.
beans in a small plate? Can it be plated or not? Can it be in a plate like this? No. No, it has to be in one of those. Okay. Lovely. And what else is nice? That you got lots of things here. And is that spinach or?
Collard greens. Collard greens.
Oh, collard greens. I'll have a small portion, please. There you go, folks. A real Southern African food, isn't it? Lovely. Yeah, I'm gonna stick out the fillet chicken. Fillet.
That's it?
Yes, please. Thank you. Lovely.